Hey, so basically, you guys get to do this. I enjoy, but also I never showed you this. What is hiding? Why is hiding? You're going? Yes, it's a recording. Okay. Now, anyways, I am basically going to do this. I also have this giant seal plushie. Sorry, I don't know what you guys are watching. So I'm just going to do this. So now I'm just going to do this. I'm going to spin the wheel, and all your users will be there. And then, if you win, you will get Richard the Spike, and that's the intro we use with the animal. Got you all, but anyways, let's go and to Little Toby. Go to Little Toby. Let's Toby Lily. So I am making a bid. Hi. Well, shout out to Little Toby AJ. Oh, video. Shout out to Little Toby, Coco Cat, Lilly, Indian 19, because I don't know why. I actually need a short. I like video. Cool. It's good for you. You guys are gonna see a full screen me. Well, I just say I have an issue. I have an issue. Yeah, I totally have an issue. Guys, I totally am an issue. Also, so basically I did the shoutouts. And, oh, look who came. Go, girl, me, shout out. Good shout out. Also, since they're not joining, they can probably, if I missed my one. Coco has a freaking black one. Sadie Bug, you get a shout out as well. Okay. I'm getting McDonald's today, so I went to the aquarium. Also, I went to the I don't remember what it was called, but I went to the zoo 3 weeks ago. Oh my god, everyone's coming. Too many shoutouts. Shoutouts. Too many shoutouts. Oh wow. 22 Leaf, you get a shout out. Who else is in this den? King Tiger 18. Leopard 77. And that's all I think. Oh, and Cowless. Hi. Yeah, oh, girl, unless you can get a buddy request. Okay, Toby AJ. This person has the exact same one, but it looks like it wouldn't. Oh my god, there's a silver stuff. Oh god. Shout out to this person. Here, I pencil them. You get a shout out. But I wish your spike was on 3. Also, you kind of have every single item I have. Wait, seriously? No. Magic Animals 64 gets a shout out. I'm gonna stand by here so we can shout out a million people. Also, this is like the worst video I've ever actually made. and I am just going to go around and give shoutouts to people. Oh my god. But like, just, we're shouting out this person. Who are they? Oh god, they're filmers. Oh my. They are really good artists though. Like, whoa, look at that talent. No, I really don't really want to. I'm giving shout to you. I'm giving a shout to you. They probably don't even know they're in the zoo. They're very rare, but I hope I'm going to become as rare as them. If I know how to buy things anymore. Oh, someone joined. We have Magic Peanut. Can't say it. Okay, well, we can't say a shout out to you because I can't spell that, but Magic Peanut TP has a pink short as me. Can you guys give to me notes for my game membership? Sure. Sure thing. You get a shout out as well. Okay. They don't have a pink short on today. So, yeah. For your friend. Also, anyone... I need to find something really good, really good. I'll give them... what items do I never use? Ooh, we should give them, yeah. Wait. Sorry everyone, I'm back. I'm dead. So, I had you there. It was okay. But, I hope we're still okay with giving that out. Oh my! Oh! I just... There. My! It changed! Oh. Okay, we'll try giving shouts to all of you. Shout. Okay, everyone is dead. Keep it PG. Yes, good. I see you still. Go, girl. Yes, girl, me. Why are there so many people here? So many people. She's already a big fan. Oh yeah, I'm a big fan. Thank you, go, girl. Alright, wait. Go, girl. That was hard to say, actually. What do you mean, keep it PG? For the kids! For the kids! This is Animal Jam, that's right, it is Animal Jam. This is a kid-friendly stream. And video. So you gotta keep it PG. Stop loving each other. Stop being in love. Oh my god, stop! Not PG. My god! How? In the... OMG! OMG! How do you get that? All of that. What for rim for one of the headdresses? What for one of the headdresses? I room is already down. Oh no, we're in a friendship. No, I want to. I guess I have a fan finally, a real fan. Oh right, we have haters as well. We also have 3 haters, so you know. I heard what my friend said. What are you doing? This lags my game half to death. Oh my god, Lily, you're lagging my game. Lily! Okay, she's freaking me out. No, this isn't Lily! Oops. This is Coco Cat. Oh no. Oh no. Uh-oh. We're gonna know. Oh, I should end.